boss. This is Jamie from Tait Real Estate. Welcome to another edition of Thirsty Thursday. What have we got today, Jamie? It looks fairly involved.
It's fairly involved.
Okay.
Today we're going to be making the Cabernet Sour.
Okay.
Okay? I'm going to put 2 Maraschino Cherries
I can do that.
in my shaker.
I just love eating these like for a snack, watching TV, just a nice big bowl of these, doing CSI. Love that. Oh yeah.
There you go, there's a combo.
CSI in New York.
We're going to do 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, so not a ton.
Okay. So this sounds like it's sweet because we got the maraschino cherry and the maple, but it's actually, that's about the only sweet part to this.
Yeah, not a ton of maple syrup. I'm gonna muddle those together.
Okay.
Just to get those cherries
Squished out a little bit.
squished out.
Okay.
Gonna go ahead, add some ice to my shaker. Now that I muddled those.
And we're gonna add some bourbon in there, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna do about 4 ounces of bourbon.
4 ounces of bourbon, okay. All right. And now you need some Cabernet
Yeah.
Sauvignon.
I'm gonna do it just a little bit, 2 ounces of red wine.
Okay.
We use the box because you never know when you're gonna need it.
Of course.
Of course. I'm gonna do 5 dashes of orange bitters.
Okay.
Perfect.
And some lemon, I bet.
Yeah, I'm gonna do some lemon.
Okay.
About 2 ounces of lemon juice.
Okay.
That's really gonna give us our sour. So now I got ice.
Okay.
You wanna put,
A bit of garnish in each of
let's
these.
garnish those out. So we're gonna put a maraschino cherry in each glass.
That I can do.
That you can do?
Yeah, I got handle that.
Ooh.
All right. Ooh, colorful.
It is colorful.
Very nice.
This is the second or third time we've used a cocktail that had red wine in it, and we haven't been disappointed yet. So,
All right, let's give the Bordeaux sour. Well, this is actually the
Cabernet Sour.
Sour.
Here we go. Yeah, that's good. That's a
Very
nice cocktail.
smooth. You can taste the bourbon in it, right?
Yeah.
But the sour is there from the lemon.
Maple syrup's really light.
Very
It's like,
It's actually a really good cocktail.
yeah, that's good. Should give that a try.
Give that a shot. The Cabernet Sour.
Yeah. Cheers.